shields. how do you
If this doesn't tell you how cooked we are in the near future, bro, I don't know what will, gang. I don't fucking know what will. My nigga, when did AI start coughing? I don't get it. I saw someone in the comments say, yeah, ChatGPT sneezed. My nigga, we're all cooked, bro. We're all cooked, to be honest. AI is getting scary. It's getting too real. It's getting too fucking real, gang. Jeez. I mean, bro, it's gonna be easy to get scammed, bro. Huh? The way AI is moving nowadays, scamming someone is gonna be easy. For Christ, bro. Yo. I don't know how does it, bro. That's sort of.